Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project to work on today. I'm participating in a challenge and it's for my dear friend Danielle at PinkZebratheUnicornCrafter. The Unicorn Crafter. I can never get her name, her title right. Anyway, it's her Road to 3K Challenge giveaway for 2020. And it opened in December 30th and it'll close February 1st, and all entries must be postmarked by February 2nd. You must share, like, or video response. Must be a subby and 18 years or older. So the challenge is to create a memory dex, and to on the memory dex she requires your name, your birthday, month and day, not the year, your crafty style, your IG and YouTube names if you have them, and your favorite candy. The other entry requirement is to create a loaded bag, and you could use your style of craft style, or you can use Valentines, which is what I am going to do, or Maggie Holmes. So I'm going to try and do a combination of the Valentines and Maggie Holmes if I can make it work. So I'm going to put you on time lapse because apparently that's the best way for me to get all my stuff into what I'm creating without having to edit so much. So here we go, guys. Time lapse, here we come. Okay guys, so here is my bag. I used 2 of the Dollar Tree bags and glued it together back to back so that the bottom of the bags were on the outer sides and it could be used for pockets. So this was closed right here, this little edge right here. I cut it open. This was the bottom of the bag. Here, let me show you. Okay, so this flap right here is this on the bag. Okay, so this right here is this flap. So I could have just glued right here on these 2 sides and made a small pocket, right? But instead I cut this folded edge. So you see the flap right here, the bottom of the bag. I cut that edge so it could open up and make a pocket. So this whole length now from here to here, just on this part, is a full pocket. And then I glued this edge here and that makes a small pocket. So can you guys see where I'm going with that? So this is a full pocket right here. Let me show you. So this is a pocket right there. That's the opening that I cut. And then this is just the flap. So you see how much shorter that is? So this goes all the way in. You can see that in the front pocket. And then on this part, it only goes to about halfway. Okay. So there's 2 pockets gained. And then this is 1 pocket. This is the whole inside of the bag. And so the front of the bag, the one that I consider the front, I cut down maybe 1.5 inches off the top so that there's a difference in the bag. from here to the second bag. So in between, there's another pocket right in between there. So this is one bag. It's cut down right there. And you can tell because there's a stripe pattern. That's the stripe bag. And then the second bag has the heart pattern. See that? Okay. So I did several things to decorate the bag. I made some rosettes. And I used my glitter from Hobby Lobby, and I used the red one this time. So the same that I used for the pink rosettes that I made, I used, instead of the iridescent one, I used the red. And they're all the same shape. They're like triangular with a dimple inside. So I used the red, and I went around. So there's an example. So this is part of the one I made first with the iridescent. And I just did the edge of the ribbon. You can see that. And I used the hot glue. And then I used some Dollar Tree ribbons from my stash. And here's the pink one, the pink rosette. So you can see I made a smaller one. So I used the pink ribbon from Dollar Tree. I used the XO from Dollar Tree. These are all from last year's Valentines. And then I made a little bow, a double bow. I didn't even tie it. I just folded them and used my stapler and stapled the center. So I put first I put the ribbon down on top. You can see my scrap paper right there. It's the XOXO. So that's a portion of it on the front of the pocket. Okay, I just put a little one, cover it up. Then I put the ribbon. This is not ribbon. This is crepe paper that I folded and stitched. And then I put the glitter on the edges. Then I added the red rosette that I made. You guys saw that there on the video. Added 2 ribbons. I added the pink little rosette. And then You Are Cute is from Walmart. This is 2 years ago. And this is the foam hearts with the stitches. They're very cute. So I add that on top. Okay, so in this is the same thing that we did on the other side. I made the pocket. So here's the deep pocket and here's the half pocket. Okay, and then on the front of the bag, I just followed the pattern, but I put the bling. I put the bling around the circle. And then on top of the white heart, this used to be a white heart, I just added one of the glitter hearts, also from Dollar Tree. And then these, I just folded them accordion style and glued it down onto the bag. And then on the second bag, so here's the pocket. On the second bag, I just did the edging on the top with the ribbon. Okay, this I consider the back, and I made another bow, and I took one of the red rosettes and 2 of the hearts and glued that down. And these I believe are also from Dollar Tree, and I put that on top of all of it and glued it just to the front of the bag, of the panel. This is just from Walmart 2 years, 3 years, maybe even 4 years ago. I might be wrong, but I just took one, added there, and then these are just a collection of hearts from the stash. I don't remember where these puffy hearts are from. I can't remember. But I put one here. I used one of the girls rule cut from this cutout from the paper pad. Girls rule paper pad. I believe this is DCWV. And I think I got that from Tuesday Morning, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. Or Joann's, one of the two. So that's it. I have 1, 2, 3 big pocket, 4 in between the 2 bags, 5 another big pocket, and then 6 the half pocket, and 7, which is the big pocket that I cut open here. So 7 pockets just from 2 little bags from Dollar Tree. And that is it, guys. So I'm going to load this on another video, but thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.